Here are the detailed points on how to conduct safety observations for construction and industrial sectors. 1. Plan and schedule observations. Effective safety observations require careful planning and scheduling. Start by identifying the critical areas and tasks within the construction or industrial site that need regular safety checks. Assign observation schedules for different teams, workstations, or activities, ensuring every part of the workplace is covered. Ensure that the observations are conducted at various times, including peak and off-peak hours, to get a complete picture of potential risks. Planning also involves determining the frequency of observations, which should be based on the complexity and risk level of the activities being performed. 2. Use a standardized checklist. A standardized checklist is an essential tool for conducting safety observations. It ensures consistency and thoroughness during inspections by guiding the observer through all potential hazards and safety requirements relevant to the specific industry or site. For construction, the checklist might include items such as scaffolding safety, fall protection, and equipment inspections. In an industrial setting, it may cover machine guarding, chemical storage, and proper use of personal protective equipment. Customizing the checklist to suit the activities and hazards of the specific work environment ensures that nothing is overlooked. 3. Focus on high-risk activities. Certain tasks in both construction and industrial sectors are inherently riskier than others. Activities such as working at heights, operating heavy machinery, lifting heavy loads, and handling hazardous substances pose significant risks. Observations should focus on these high-risk activities to ensure compliance with safety standards and to identify any unsafe behaviors or conditions. Observers should monitor the workers involved in these tasks to ensure that they are using the proper safety procedures, such as wearing personal protective equipment, following lockout tagu protocols, or securing equipment properly. 4. Engage employees. Safety observations are more effective when employees are actively involved in the process. Instead of simply observing and reporting, engage workers by explaining the purpose of the observation. When employees understand that the process is designed to protect them, they are more likely to adopt a proactive approach to safety. Encourage them to share their insights on potential hazards or unsafe conditions that may not be immediately visible to outsiders. Their input can provide valuable context for the observations and help identify hidden risks. 5. Observe behaviors and conditions. Effective safety observations go beyond just checking equipment and physical conditions, they also involve monitoring behaviors. Unsafe acts, such as improper lifting techniques, failure to wear pay, or bypassing safety procedures, can lead to accidents. Similarly, unsafe conditions, such as poorly maintained equipment, cluttered walkways, or inadequate ventilation, pose significant risks. Observers should watch for both unsafe behaviors and hazardous conditions, as both contribute to workplace accidents. Positive safety behaviors should also be noted and reinforced, as this helps promote a safety-conscious culture. 6. Document findings. Accurate documentation of safety observations is critical for tracking performance and identifying trends over time. After conducting an observation, record the findings in detail. This should include descriptions of unsafe behaviors, hazardous conditions, and any violations of safety protocols. Also, document positive safety practices, as recognizing these can encourage continued compliance. Ensure that the documentation is clear and organized, allowing it to be easily shared with supervisors and safety managers for further action. 7. Provide immediate feedback. Whenever an unsafe behavior or condition is identified, immediate feedback should be provided to the workers involved. If a worker is not wearing proper fall protection or if equipment is malfunctioning, address the issue on the spot to prevent accidents. Provide constructive feedback, focusing on how the worker or the team can improve. Immediate corrective actions should also be suggested and implemented as quickly as possible. By addressing issues promptly, you reduce the risk of incidents occurring later. 8. Follow up on corrective actions. Observations alone are not enough if they do not lead to corrective actions. After identifying unsafe conditions or behaviors, ensure that corrective actions are implemented. For example, if a safety observation reveals faulty equipment, it should be repaired or replaced immediately. Follow-up inspections should be conducted to verify that the recommended actions have been carried out and are effective. Keep track of all corrective actions taken, and regularly review them to ensure that similar issues do not arise in the future. 9. Review and analyze data. Safety observations generate valuable data that can help improve workplace safety over time. Regularly review and analyze the data collected from observations to identify trends or recurring issues. For example, if the same unsafe behavior or condition is observed multiple times, it may indicate a deeper problem with training, procedures, or equipment maintenance. Analyze data to determine if certain areas or tasks are more prone to safety violations. This analysis allows you to prioritize areas that need more attention and resources, ultimately helping to reduce incidents. 10. Use technology. Incorporating technology into safety observations can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of the process. Mobile apps and software designed for safety inspections can streamline data collection, reduce paperwork, and make it easier to track trends and corrective actions. For example, an observer can use a mobile app to instantly record findings, take pictures, and upload them to a central system in real time. This allows for quicker response times and better communication between safety managers, supervisors, and workers. Additionally, emerging technologies like drones and sensors can be used to monitor hard-to-reach areas or detect environmental hazards such as gas leaks or temperature fluctuations. By following these detailed steps, safety observations in construction and industrial sectors can be conducted more effectively, leading to a safer work environment and a significant reduction in accidents and injuries.